What's up, YouTube? Whenever I find a really great product, I want to share with you. I bought this box over 10 years ago, 10 years. And I did use it at that point, put it on the storage, and then now I need it again. It's unbelievable. I'll show you a test right away how easy it is to work with this thing. If you can still find this in stores. So at first, obviously, this product came, it was wet. You can use it, scoop it, put it on the wall. After 10 years, it's dry, obviously. So what you need to do is simply put a little bit of water. So it's very important to pour just slightly, a little bit of water. And if you need, add some more. Don't pour too much water at once because then it's going to be too wet. You are not going to be able to work with it. And just mix it and try to get that paste again. Let's see. And let's see a test as well. So again, start maybe with a teaspoon of water, a very, very small amount. Crush that powder, crush it into powder, mix, and just work to get the consistency that you actually want. You just try. I'm trying this one hand. Give you an idea about the hole is about this kitten food. So this is how big the hole is. And like I said, you can work the consistency to your liking. Obviously, I think it's easier to work something that it's thicker. I'm doing just mostly this for the video, not paying attention to the job quality. So that gives you an idea how easy, obviously, are going to finish up the thing, but how easy is to work with this filler. It's incredible. And again, the simple fact that it can stay forever on the shelf when you just pick it up when you need it again, basically years later. It doesn't smell. It has a very bright white color. It's amazing. The color is amazing. It's like, I'm not saying eat it, but it's like an ice cream, vanilla ice cream. It's very, very bright white. It dries just normally, and it's easy to work with it, as you can see. Thanks for watching.